The MB Network with Dee's Sparta.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the MB Network. Today, I am excited because I didn't expect my FabFitFun box to arrive this soon. So, I am going to unbox this baby. Usually it wouldn't get sent out till much later in September, so I'm excited. And I've already pulled out, I bought 3 add-ons. Now, one of my add-ons didn't arrive yet, but I had a feeling it would be shipped separate. One add-on I got was the airlock because, yeah, everyone leaves I put clips for potato chip bags and snack things, and they get misplaced, lost, or not used. So I figured we'll try this. I'll airlock seal these bags and keep things fresher. And then I had to get me this coffee mug, Mama Boss. I love coffee. I love mugs. We have a lot of coffee mugs, my wife and I. We do. But why not? So we're gonna open up. This is the fall. Fall is my favorite time of year. I just love fall. So yeah, I'm really hoping this box lives up to the awesomeness of autumn. Okay, so we have the FabFitFun. Oh, it's got Padma. Like, I love her. I used to watch Top Chef all the time when she first started as a hostess there. And I think she's just amazing. So, we'll see. There's a bunch of different prices for different things they've got. I don't know what I'm all getting in here, but we will find out. I want to check out something, their horoscopes here. It's usually, how to make the perfect arch brow. My brows suck. I should, figure that out. All right, so Taurus, what does it say for April 20? Not for, but for fall. Create a fall floral bouquet. Pick up your favorite florals and spend time creating a special autumn arrangement. It is an activity that requires patience, an eye for color, and design, both of which are some of Taurus's strong suits. Oh, you know what? I've done that. In fact, my wedding, my wife and I got married in October of 2009. And it was all autumn themed. And I had so much fun making centerpieces, these autumn beautiful centerpieces. Because I used to coordinate weddings in my college days and decorate receptions and such. And I just love all that stuff. So yeah, I did. It was so gorgeous, my wedding, I think. Now, let's see here. $80 off of a HelloFresh. Amazing. Everyone keeps telling me I should try this. I have friends who really love this. I don't know. Discover wine you love. I love wine. And gather the good. Pass this on to a friend. Ooh. So we got weird things. Oh, right. Let's see here. What is this? I don't know. I have no idea what this is. Oh, by the way, I'm also wearing my pumpkin spice Too Faced eyeshadow palette. I think it came out really beautiful today. Oh, I know what this is. I wanted some because these are for your eyes. I wonder what I look like in them. Let's check this out. Oh boy. It reflects. You're seeing I'm watching Che Drena of Top 10 Scary Stuff. I was watching before I came in here. My kids like watching all that SPC stuff and it's fun. Okay, so these glasses. These are Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown tortoise. Block blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. I think this is great. I think my children might want to use this since they're in front of the computer all day with school. So yeah, I wanted to see what these were like and I'm glad I got them. Although, see, I have to wear a prescription for my glasses. This is really interesting, though. I like it. All right, let's see what else I got in here. We got the Height Tranquility Sleep Mist. At Height, our mission is to amplify your inner and outer beauty while you sleep. To learn more about how you are enhancing your self-care ritual, connect with us. Let's see here. What is this sleep mist supposed to do? It's got witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. Those are all really nice things, actually. Let's see here, and what do I have it listed on here? Let me look in the book. Dun dun dun. Do do do. Huh. Oh, here it is. It is $22 and formulated with, supposed to create a tranquil sleep environment. I'll try this. I have no idea if it's really going to work, but you never know. Before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. If this works and makes sleeping so much nicer, my kids might try and snake this one. Okay. Oh, and the glasses, I forgot to mention, they're $45. Okay, so what else have I got in here? Dun, dun, dun. Glow Milk from Beauty Crop. Nourished with coconut oil and argan oil. What the heck? This weird packaging. It's cute. Bulky, but cute. It's got little emoji face. That's like cute. Okay, there. Let's see here. What is this? Glow Milk. Oh my gosh. It's an illuminating milk and face and body serum. Ooh. Like, I have plenty of these already. And, I mean, you can't use them up fast. I mean, I don't know. Little goes a long way, so don't really need that, but okay, that's interesting. Let's see here. How much is Glow Milk? Glow Milk, Glow Milk, Glow Milk. Where are you? Where art thou, Glow Milk? There's recipes for yummy food in here. My wife made amazing Italian sausage sandwiches with melted cheese and fresh homemade marinara sauce. So good. Okay, so back to what I'm looking for. What was I looking for? The Glow Milk. Oh, here it is. Glow Milk. I see the picture of it, but I'm not seeing. Oh, it's down here at the bottom. It's only $19.50. This highlighter gives you a lit from within glow. Really, from within. I think within comes in who you are, the person. That's what I like to think. Okay, crease release. Removes wrinkles. Overpack. What? Oh, this is for your clothes. Oh, where's I was thinking you sprayed on your face? Decrease wrinkles. I need help. How much is crease release? It's $16. It easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with a spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. I used to iron an awful lot in my life. Awful lot. I used to iron everything, and then I was like, this was like when I was in college, in my 20s. I'm in my 40s, almost 50, and I avoid ironing now. I used to have to iron everything for my parents too, when I did their laundry. Ugh. All right, I got all sorts of things in here. Huh, what's this? It looks weird. Da da da. It has it's for food maybe, because I see a cup and a fork image. What is this? hip cutlery case. Wheat straw cutlery set inside. 1 fork, 1 spoon, and 1 knife. Oh, this would be good for my wife at work. To bring these to work. That is cool. Oh, I was like, is it dirty? No, it's got gold specks. I don't know if you can tell. Interesting. Interesting. That is actually kind of handy. That's, what is it? Wait, let me see if I could find some more eat food on that, because that is funky. Yeah, here it is. Swap your disposable utensils with this wheat straw cutlery set. It also comes in a carrying case for $14.99. This isn't very nice. Let's see what's in this box. Kit hydration deposit. Okay. Make it more than a mason jar. Huh? Okay, so I have to pull. I hate these tabs. See, I was able to, I stabbed it and I was able to pull it out. It's a pretty color. Holy moly. It's just a hand wash with soap and water. It's got this sleeve. You can see how much water and just pop and chug. That is really nice. Really nice. It's a glass water bottle and it's $35. And I'm glad it has this cushiony wrap. It'll also insulate it and protects it because it is glass. That is really cool. I have a feeling my wife will want to use this at work. I think she will. Now, there's still 2 more things in here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what I got. Dun, dun. I think I know what this is. Oh, it feels so soft. This is Beyond Yoga Pocket Infinity Scarf. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh, it's soft. Ooh. I love infinity scarves, you know, and yeah. Ooh, very nice. It's a little too hot today for something like this, but oh my gosh. That is really nice. Let me see what it says about that. You know, I see there's all this pumpkin spice stuff people got, and I didn't get any of it. And it's like it's sad for me because I love pumpkin. All right, the infinity scarf is $59.95. This lightweight scarf features a hidden zipper pocket that's big enough for your phone, wallet, or lip balm. Okay, where is the pocket? Why did I not? Where is the pocket? It's hidden, that's for sure. Oh, here it is. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's sneaky. Sneaky. I like that. And there's one last item in here, and this is okay, which one? What is this? Oh, yes. It's the backpack. This is so cute. I like little backpack purses, so does my wife. They're so nice and handy and easy to wear and use. And this one is adorable. Nice and roomy. It's got 2 pockets on the front, pocket on the inside, zipper, and the inside and metal clasp. adjustable straps, and this backpack is worth $100. This multifunctional backpack holds all the essentials in style. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, that's it. So this was a very functional fall box. This is fun. This is nice. Love that infinity scarf. Don't know about this. This is different, but it's usable. And I dropped, of course, crease release. And I know my wife is gonna love using this, especially for her clothes before she goes to work. And yes, I got the glasses to protect you from the blue light. Ow. This is weird, I gotta tell you. Oh well. It's cool though. I believe I got my money's worth with this box. I really do. It was a fun box. I'm kind of surprised. I'm like, I liked it. There were other things I would have loved to have gotten, but I didn't, that I see that they could have offered. And that makes me like, but I'm happy with what I got. Am I going to do FabFitFun again? I don't know. I really don't know. Tell me down below, do you think this is something I should continue and unbox again? Please comment down below. I hope you have a great weekend. Keep cool, keep warm, stay dry. Wherever you are. Okay, everybody. Please hit the subscribe button. Share this video with others so that they can see the greatness of FabFitFun. This was a fun unboxing. It's cute. Oh yeah, and I got the Tranquility Sleep Mist. This should be interesting. I am going to let people know what I think of these products. I totally will. I should do some follow-up reviews on these FabFitFun box because it's interesting. Some of the products I thought I would totally not use or like, I did. And some I just... So it'll be interesting. Anyway, as I said, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. And remember, I love you. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. And I'll see you next time here on the MV Network. Mwah!